We're making a South Indian classic, Rava Idli with coconut chutney. This recipe is perfect for a quick breakfast or a light dinner. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for the Rava Idli and for the coconut chutney. First, we're going to start by roasting our cashews. Take 2 tablespoons of ghee and heat it in a kadai. Once the ghee is hot, add a few cashews and roast them until they turn golden brown. Set them aside. Now, in the same kadai, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of chana dal. A few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of chopped chili, and 1/2 teaspoon of chopped ginger. Sauté for a minute. Next, add 1/2 cup of peas. And 1 cup of grated carrot. Sauté for a few more minutes until the vegetables are slightly tender. Adjust the salt as per your taste. Add 2 cups of rava to the kadai and mix everything well. Roast the rava for a few minutes until it turns aromatic. Transfer the rava mixture to a bowl. Add 1 cup of dahi, yogurt, and mix well. Add a little water if needed to get a thick batter consistency. Let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add 1/2 teaspoon of eno and salt to the batter and mix well. Add water if needed to adjust the consistency. with a little ghee and place one roasted cashew in each mold. Pour the batter into the idli plates, filling them about 3/4 full. Steam cook the idlis for 10 minutes or until they are done. While our idlis are cooking, let's prepare the coconut chutney. In a blender, take 1 cup of grated coconut. Take 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of roasted chana, 2 chillies, and salt to taste. Add a little water and grind it to a smooth paste. And there you have it. Fluffy Rava Idlis served with a delicious coconut chutney. Perfect for any meal of the day. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Padma for more amazing recipes. Happy cooking!